tutorial first. We'll try to do the multiplayer side of the things. I'll probably play a little bit maybe of the campaign, but I won't show it in the video. So if people want to play this game, it doesn't ruin the campaign. But hopefully I'll be able to play some multiplayer or something to give like a feel of the game. But so far, I know I haven't seen much, but the graphics are pretty good so far. I guess they should be considering I'm on the X, but there's no little like input delay either. I thought, as this game's not the great, or like not the greatest, not the newest of games, you'd think that there might be like some input delay still. So the character feels very weird when walking around though. Wait, what? How do I get in? Oh, here. Hit it. Oh. It took a long time for them to show me what. Let's go through here. Obviously, I don't want to show too much of the game because as it's free, people can give it a try. But I want to try to give it the best review as I possibly can to show you guys if it's actually worth you spending the time downloading it, because you know how big games are nowadays, and it's not like they take that. It's not like they are what's it called? Are quick to download normally either. So I thought I'd give it a try. If you want to see more videos like me trying the free games every month, then make sure you hit a like, and I will carry on. But I want to try to get into more gaming. Obviously, there'll still be the transition videos. There'll be some reviews, but not as many like I've been saying. But yeah, so let's keep following. Exit the cover. Cover? What? You just told me to exit the cover. Whoa! Why is there a laser? Use cover to avoid. Oh. Aha. Dave's laser. So imagine Dave is probably. Oh, try. Don't try them. There. Or if there's any games what you want me to buy and just do a review on, or just to do a series on, I'll be happy to do so. Just make sure you leave it in the comment section below, and I'll get round to playing that game. I put subtitles on as well because obviously I don't really want to be copyrighted for the music. Or wait, let's see if we can just quit the thingy, because I want to just try to get in to see if we can play some multiplayer. 32% playable. We will play competitive multiplayer with up to 9 players against recruits. We'll do quick play, and we'll do cinema, ATM, canal spawn, band. It's a 2v1. I'm level 1. There's a 71. There's a 69. There's a 4. Well, My ping's not the greatest either, so I don't know if I'm in the correct sort of server, but we're giving it a try. We're going to give this a try. But even if I'm terrible at the game, I'm going to give it an honest review. Even if I'm terrible, like, I'm liking the graphics at the moment a lot. I'd probably give the graphics at least a 8 out of 10 so far. Oh my god, what are we? Can we sprint? How are they... I should have probably done the tutorial. But, you know. Oh my god, just look at me. Here we go. Okay, so I've got no games I'll remember, so if... Is that a person? Is that new? Oh, here we go. I can't see. Can I finish him? Oh my god. Is there a grenade or something? No. Let's get out of here. As this game is not the newest as well, you're probably got a verse like I'm saying, like I'm a level 1. The next lowest in this game is level 49. So you're probably going to verse a lot of OG players / sweaty players in this game. So I probably do recommend doing like the tutorial, but obviously I'm only doing it to give you a general overview of like what I think. But how it's going so far, I'll say if you do like shooting games or shooter games, I would definitely give this a try so far. Because look, these are actually ducking down where I was actually just ran straight in to try to kill up. This game is, I guess, more strategy based compared to like Call of Duty or something, where like Call of Duty you could just run around Nuketown with your shotgun or your submachine gun and just killing people. This, you can't really run straight out, or you'd be like, I guess, in gaming terms, lasered or something. So I do rate this game a what would, in my opinion, I'd give it a 5. Like, I feel like there's so many things, well, not so many, but I do like shooter games, but me in general, I prefer, like, my top genre of gaming is sports. So, I don't mind it, but, like I said, if I probably played the tutorial and stuff like that, I might actually enjoy it. Or if I had played previous versions of this game and understood the backstory and everything, it's like, it's like me. I'm trying to think of a game now, for example. I don't know, but say for example, playing like one of the Harry Potters or one of the Call of Duties or something, you need to understand the campaign sort of. You can't just go into a campaign and like understand it. Like with this, if I played the other 4 before the 5th one, I might have understood why I'm like a alien, I guess, is this, or like sort of look like the character from like Fantastic Four, and if I did play the tutorial, I would know how to sprint or stuff like that. I want to back out this game, and so graphics and everything, like I said earlier, I'd give them a solid, I believe I said 7.5 or 7. Gameplay, it is good gameplay, but like I was saying, play the tutorial or the campaign just to get used to it, because this is not the same as Call of Duty or anything like that. If anyone probably knows, probably more like, I guess, a Paladins or sort of maybe like Overwatch. And what is the other game called? Wait. The other game is called Rogue Company. It's sort of like these type of games compared to Call of Duty. So if you do like Rogue Company, or I guess a search and destroy aspect of Call of Duty, I would give it a try. But for me, for the first game of 3 months, or for the free, I'd give it a 5 out of 10. So there is room for improvement, I'd say. But maybe other people might find it better. But I'd say give it a try. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.